and welcome to the HR Legal Lowdown, where we take some time out of our day to have a chat to you about who we are. Today I'm joined by partner Georgie Chapman. Thanks for coming, Georgie.
Thanks for having me, Alex.
Tell me, first question, how long have you worked at HR Legal?
Well, at risk of ageing myself, it's about 14 years now.
My goodness. So what drew you to coming to work at HR Legal?
Well, it's a funny story. I had worked with Dan, our managing partner, when I was an article clerk in a different firm, and I had moved on and I called him for a reference. I was thinking of leaving legal practice. And
I'm glad you didn't.
Well, yes, the rest is history, but I said to him, I don't think I'll be able to have a family if I go into private practice on an ongoing basis. And he said, we do things differently. You should join us. And I did. And I've been here ever since.
Well, we're very happy about that. What's your favourite thing about working as an employment lawyer?
I think that no 2 days are the same. There are so many different aspects to being an employment lawyer. There's a lot of variety in the work that we do, but also we have ongoing relationships with clients, which means we get to build really strong relationships, and we have lots of touch points with our clients, because when we're dealing with human beings, there's never a dull moment, and that means that we really build valuable relationships, which I really enjoy.
Well, that is wonderful. We do have a lot of long-standing clients that are friends of the firm, so shout out to all of you guys. So tell me, if you weren't an employment lawyer, what do you think you'd be doing?
Ooh, well, when I went to university and to study law and languages, I wanted to be a diplomat, but then ultimately decided to do my articles. But I think there's a bit of diplomacy involved in being an employment lawyer, so perhaps I kind of got a bit of that anyway.
Yeah, wonderful. And what do you think is the most common misconception about employment law in the area that you work?
I think that it is black letter law, because obviously there's a lot of regulation under the Fair Work Act and other legislation. But again, when we're dealing with human beings, there's so much grey, and I think a lot of it really is about human dynamics more than the black letter law, and I think that's why it's so interesting and sometimes entertaining.
Yeah. Entertaining and varied, all great aspects to a good work-life balance, right, Georgie?
That's right, yeah.
And last question, what is your secret talent?
My secret talent?
Yes.
Well,
it comes down to two things. Firstly, you're not good at keeping secrets, or secondly, there are no talents. Which is it?
I'm not good at keeping secrets.
Yeah, in terms of your talents.
Yes, okay. I think it would have to be karaoke.
Karaoke?
And I keep trying to build this in as a work-related activity, and I get I get quite a lot of resistance from some of my partners.
Okay, and then on that point, go-to karaoke song?
There are so many, but you can never go wrong with a bit of John Farnham.
You're the voice.
Every time.
On that note, you've been watching the HR Legal Lowdown. I'm Alex Harvey. Please don't hesitate to call us should you have any questions about your workplace.